Well, I'm not doing drone stuff right now like I usually do, but I am taking this miscreant out. I think we're meeting today at Sean's house. He's never flown here today, so it's going to be a lot of fun. I love seeing land, and we're in Indiana, so that's all. The only thing that's exciting is looking at land. It's kind of sad to say, but yeah, we're gonna go rip some packs at a new place today, and I'm personally excited too. Hey guys, well, we made it here. See, hey honey, hey Angela. Thanks. There's the rest of the crew. Yeah.
All this little thicket woods here is mine, and there's a trail that goes down the back side of it. I just trimmed it all up, so it's probably 10-foot diameter all the way down through there. That whole field.
First one's free. Then what I say? I said I will shut that shit down. No exceptions.
Oh, hey.
I'm getting a lot of
Well, that just happened. I like digital, but that is my only issue. I could not see anything popping up over there. I don't have the DVR footage because I didn't record, but I couldn't see anything popping up over that roof. And yeah, so hopefully when I go shark bite, that won't be as much as an issue. I'm hoping, because that was just nonsense. And hopefully my quad's okay, because I landed in a huge ass puddle. And this is what I got going on with it right now. So yeah, not a fun time. GoPro's okay, of course, waterproof, but yeah, man, just two DJI people in the air. Don't try to freestyle. Don't do it.
I'm gonna have to start calling. I have to remember.
To be exact. And I'm not from Earth, I'm from outer space. Go. Let's go. I'm somewhere I'm not supposed to be. Yeah. I remember she knows me. Yeah. While I'm tripping, she owns me. I'm holding out the cost me. Every time I have a show, I sell it out, I go to sleep. We got some new mess. We got some new mess. Yeah. We got some new mess. We got some new mess. Yeah. Yeah. Like she old mess. Yeah. Yeah. I'm on that new bitch. With a regular friends. Yeah. It's not for me, no. It's just one ass. Yeah. Yeah. I'ma just play with the pussy. Yeah. As best I can. Yeah. I'ma just count these racks. Yeah. As best I can. Yeah. Yeah. I ain't gonna trust no bitch. I ain't gonna trust no man. Yeah. We got some new bands, 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 trees and deals, like shit old bands, I put that little bitch, put it regular friend, it's not for me, no, it's just for an ass, I'ma just play with them pussy, as best I can, I'ma just count these racks, as best I can, I ain't no trust no bitch, I ain't no trust no man, we got some new bands, 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 trees and deals, like shit old bands, I put that little bitch, put it regular friend, we got some new bands, 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 we got some new bands,
Alright guys, so today has not gone like I thought it was going to go. 5 inches decent. I mean, it's not in front of the air anymore. And I just got a chance to fly this baby right here, this Marmot, this Hunter's Quad right here. And let me tell you, flying DJI is a different monster. Can't wait to go digital. But yeah, I think that's it for today. Got all my flights in, got some decent stuff in. I should have that DJI footage just throw in for the outro. But other than that, hey, it's all good. Thank you guys for watching.